Hello children, how are you? Today I am here to explain you what is Euclid's division lemma. So Euclid was a great mathematician of Egypt about 2500 years ago, and he discovered the method of division, that is we know today long division method. So, what is the meaning of Euclid's division lemma? Euclid is the name of a mathematician. Where is you know the meaning of division, and what is the meaning of lemma? The meaning of lemma means a proven statement and which is used to prove another statement. In short, we can say lemma means the basic rules. So, what is the total meaning of Euclid's division lemma? The basic rules of division given by Euclid. So let's start Euclid division lemma. According to the statement of Euclid's division lemma, for any positive integers a and b, there exist unique integers q and r satisfying the condition a equal to b into q plus r, where is r is greater than equal to 0 but less than b. So this statement was given by Euclid for long division. According to Euclid, if a division satisfy this statement, then the method of division is right. Suppose we have two numbers 11 and 5. Now you can see that 11 is greater than 5. Let's 11 is equal to a and 5 is equal to b. So definitely a is greater than b. Now if we divide 11 by 5, then it will be 5 to the 10 and the remainder will be 1. In this division 11 is equal to a and 11 is our dividend and 5 is the divisor and it is equal to b. Now 2 is the quotient q and 1 is the remainder r. So in any division we can see that dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. According to Euclid, if we divide a number a by another number b, then we have unique quotient q and unique remainder r. That means in any division the quotient and remainder will be unique. So this is the first rule given by Euclid, that is we have always unique quotient and remainder. According to the second rule of Euclid, in any division, dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That means a is always equal to b into q plus r. So you can see dividend is always equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And the third rule given by Euclid in Euclid division lemma, that is in any division the remainder is always less than divisor. That means remainder may be 0 or greater than 0, but it should always less than divisor b. So the third rule is remainder may be equal to 0 or greater than 0, but always less than divisor b. In this case we can see that 1 is greater than 0 but less than 5. So once again I am repeating all these three rules. According to Euclid division lemma, in any division we have always unique quotient and remainder. And the second one, in any division it is always will be satisfied that dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And the third one is In any division, the remainder may be 0 or greater than 0, but always less than divisor. These three rules togetherly known as Euclid's division lemma. Once again I am repeating the statement. For any positive integer a and b, there exist unique integer q and r. That means the first rule, unique integer q and r satisfying the condition a equal to b into q plus r. That means dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. And the third is the remainder may be 0 or greater than 0, but always less than divisor. Now hope you understand the Euclid division lemma and the statement of Euclid's division lemma. In my next video, I will share some more important topic of real number. Until then, stay safe, stay healthy, and take care of you. Bye.